So today I'm going to show you how it looked like. And you can see that my dad, he cut out some of the skin, and that's what it looked like. See all of these little spots? All these little lines? Those all are actually the coloring food that we put in there. All of those little lines, those are the coloring food that came in. All of those little lines. And some of the leaves absorbed it, and this is what one of the leaves looked like. And here's the good leaf. So how do you think those two look to you, General? These two leaves. And here is what this looks. Here
cross section of the stem.
The cross section of the stem looked like. See all those little red spots? That is the water that the stem absorbed. And here's what the normal one looked like.
Okay, we can see the veins in that. Okay.
We can't even see the veins in this because the water is clear that we put in there. And here's what the not healthy one that absorbed the coloring food water.